How we doing, guys? So online I've been seeing videos about these new LED headlights from Fisher. Figured I might as well get two pair because why not? So these are the second style Intensifire headlights. I believe they go like that on your Plow. Anyways, they're big, they work, but LEDs are the new thing. So we ended up getting two pairs of these, and I'll show you real quick on how to wire it up. It's going on. I have a 2018 GMC 3500 and a 2015 GMC 2500. And super easy, two plug system, just basically plug and play. And I'll show you real quick on how to do it. All right, so taking the headlights off is easy. We've already done that. All it is two bolts here, and then these wires are zip tied onto the head unit here. I haven't done that yet. It also gives you two plastic pieces to kind of protect the housing. I can show you the other ones on how they look. It's just a plug. Anyways, we zip tie them up, and then the head unit will be done. Super straightforward, super easy. It actually goes from an 11 plug to I believe it's a 17 plug. And this is just regular power and whatnot. They give you a new grommet, I guess, if you will, so it fits in there so you can tighten it all up. And then next we'll jump over to the truck. So truck, super straightforward. When you have your two plug system, you basically have everything here. I've already kind of unplugged it. It's number A, or letter A, I guess, if you will. You unplug that. I'll kind of show you here. Number A, letter A. I don't know why I keep saying number. And then they give you this harness here. And so this harness, they also give you a new module. This harness goes, so this goes to A. So you plug this in. That's A. This is now going into your module in the truck. So this is A as well. Make sure it's snug, clips in, good to go. Now you have your new headlamp module, control module. This is easy as well. Plug and play, that's done. Next step is to get your next harness, which is right here. This harness, super easy as well. Comes with this is your power to it, and then this is your plug-in. So you plug this in, you plug your power in, and then that's done. I'm not gonna do that right now because I've already tried it, it works good. Actually, well, we can show you guys, and then I'm gonna run it so it's neat and whatnot. So you get your, so I think it's a 10 mil. Undo this. If I can get it to the right. Loose enough. So I like to do it outside of the motor bay so this little nut doesn't fall in. As that happened to me on my other truck I did last night. So you get your power. Line it up. Tighten it down. Don't obviously over tighten it, but make sure it's snug. Then this plugs in here. If I can get it. Click. These two you don't have to worry about. I don't know why this is here. I think this is essentially for your other headlight unit. I tried it and it didn't use their high beam, so I assume this is something else. The kit comes with a lot of wires. It's very simple. It's a lot more, seems a lot more into it than it actually is. Next is your power wire, which is right here. These headlights, I know they're LEDs, but apparently they take more power. So you got your hot and cold, and then you have a fuse on your hot. This plugs in right here. Click. Then you could lock it. It's just the fuse here. And then this runs to your head unit. Yep, there we go. Already breaking stuff. That's all right. This plugs in here. Just like that. And then obviously, this is not the Plow for this truck. I have a new XV2 in 8.5. This is a 9.5. This is for our dump truck. And then, but it's all the same because it's fleet flex, so everything will run fine. You can run anything on it. Next we run over here, and I'm gonna have my buddy help me real quick. Danny, want to come here for a sec? So all you do is you run your hot and cold, and I'm just gonna touch them and hold them while I turn the truck on. Just do hot and cold. And then we'll show you what the headlights look like. It's pretty sweet. Definitely a huge upgrade. Start off with running. Then headlights. High beams. Low beams. Turns. And then another cool feature that is really nice about these headlights is they have these side lights. And if you've been plowing snow, you kind of know it's kind of hard to see on the side of your truck unless you have extra lights. These do a huge, like, super nice to have. You can kind of see what's on the side of you, so when you're turning or anything like that, especially commercial, it's nice to have extra lights. So, but super excited. We'll give you a review on what we think of them. We'll kind of do maybe a couple snowstorms. We're up in New Hampshire, and we honestly have not had any snow in the past like 2 weeks. So even anything to do, no slush, nothing, no salting, nothing going on. So hopefully by the end of this week or next week, we'll have something to show you, but yeah, we'll see. Super amped about getting these headlights on. So we'll get a video of, if you guys want it, we can show you how to put the headlights on. It's super easy. We'll do it on the XV2 so you guys can kind of see, but 3/4 inch and you're done. So thanks guys.
Let us know in the comments if you have any questions. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching.